In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password safely in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll down to click on Autofill with Google and choose Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords you wish to edit and hit Password here to enter your screen lock. Then choose Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!